Hi, it's Fazana again. In part 1 of this topic, we work through questions to find the length of an arc of a circle. In this video, we look at questions involving the area of sectors. A sector is just a fraction of a circle. We already know the formula for the area of the circle, which is pi r squared. So all we're doing is just taking a fraction of it based on the angle of the sector. Yeah, so the area of the sector is the sector angle divided by 360 times pi r squared. Okay, all right, so we've got that sector there. So the area, is sector angle, which is 150 divided by 360 times pi times r squared. So you've got 13 squared. Okay, and you get 221.2 centimeters squared. Yeah, they wanted to 3 significant figures, so we'll have just 221 centimeters squared. Okay, yeah, good. Nice simple one, wasn't it? 2-mark question. All right, here we've got the major sector with radius 3.8 centimeters, and they ask us to find the area of the major sector. So again, what fraction of the circle is it? 290 divided by 360 times pi r squared. So we've got pi times 3.8 squared. Yeah, and that will be the area. Put that on your calculator and you get 36.5 centimeters squared. Okay, yeah, it's easy as that. Let's do some more interesting questions. All right, again, calculate the area of the sector. The diagram shows a sector of a circle, center O, radius 10, the arc length r. So this time they've given us the arc length, but we don't have the angle. Yeah, so we've got to find that first. Okay, so what was the formula for the arc length? So the arc length was 15 equals, and then we had the fraction of the circle, so that was x divided by 360, and then it was pi times diameter, so we're going pi times 20. Okay, and that's equal to 15. So again, rearrange the formula. We multiplied by 20 pi and divided by 360. So now we go backwards and do the opposite. So we'll multiply by 360 and divide by 20 pi. And that's what we do to the 15. Yeah? So you go 15 times 360 divided by 20 times pi on your fraction button, and you should get x, which is 85.94. I've just put it to 2 decimal places because I'm going to use it, so when I get to my answer, at least then I can put it to 1 decimal place or 3 significant figures. Okay, so I've just carried 4 significant figures or 2 decimal places. All right, so now we've found the angle, we can actually find the area of the sector. So what fraction of the circle is it? 85.94 divided by 360 times pi r squared. So we've got pi times 10 squared. Okay, so the area will be, oh, nice round sum, of 75 centimeters squared. So sometimes it's really worth carrying a few more decimal places and your answer comes out very accurate. Yes, okay, good. Next, shown below is a sector of a circle with radius x. The area of the sector is 18 pi. So this time they've given us the area and we need to find the radius. Okay, so how would we do the area normally? We'd go area equals what fraction of the circle? 45 divided by 360 times the area, which is pi times x squared. Okay, and they said that's 18 pi. So for this purpose, we can actually just cancel out the pi's. Yeah, right? So now what's been done to the x? It's been squared, it's been multiplied by 45, and it's been divided by 360. So whatever you do first, remember you're doing what's closest to it first. And you know that line means the whole thing will really be divided by 360. So it's been squared, multiplied by 45, and divided by 360. So when we go that way, we're going to do the opposite. We're going to times 360, divide by 45, and square root it. Okay, so we take the 18, we multiply by 360, we divide by 45, okay, to find our x, and then we actually square root our answer. Okay, and you'll get x equals 12 centimeters. All right, yeah, keep trying that on the calculator. Once you do it, you'll find it's just so much easier. Can you see you're not having workings there, workings there, workings there, and getting yourself into a panic? Learn how to actually do this, changing the subject of the formula, and you find your answer will just, your workings will just be in one step or two. Yeah, not more than that. All right. Okay. Shown is a sector of a circle with radius 9.2, the area is 38.4, and here we have to find the angle. Okay, so again, just go write your formula. So the area, we'll just put the 38.4 centimeters squared. So the area is the angle, which is theta in this case, divided by 360 times pi times 9.2 squared. Okay, yeah. All right, what's been done to the angle? It's been multiplied by 9.2 squared times pi, so pi, and then divided by 360. Okay, so we go backwards, we multiply by 360 and divide by all that. Okay, so you go 38.4, let's just say what we're trying to calculate, 38.4 times 360 divided by 9.2 squared times pi, and out comes your answer, two significant figures, so 52 degrees. All right, yeah, okay. It's quite effortless, isn't it, once you learn how to do it? So simple. Just keep it simple. You'll find you're not even wasting your energy. You've still got stamina when it comes to questions 17, 18, 19. Yeah, you need to conserve your energy, so you've got to keep your workings really simple. Yeah. Okay, last question. Diagram shows an equilateral triangle. So again, while you're reading, always prepare. So if it's equilateral, that will be 60 degrees. Yeah, it'll all be 60 degrees. With sides length 6 centimeter. P is the midpoint of AB, so you know that's 3 centimeters. Okay, so we got that. Done that. Q is the midpoint of AC, so that's also 3 centimeters. Thanks for that information. APQ is a sector of a circle, so you can tell that's the sector of the circle and the angle is 60. And calculate the area of the shaded region. Okay, so you know these shaded ones means you really take the area of the big thing, take away the area of the small thing, and you get left with the rest of it. Yeah? Now, how are we going to take the area of the triangle? We'll just do our layout first. So area of sector, yeah, and then we're going to minus, and out will come our answer. Okay, all right, the area of this triangle, it's combining advanced trigonometry, and if you've watched my videos on advanced trigonometry, I say when you need to find the area of a circle, you always need the V, yeah? And then you don't really have to label it, because once you've got the V, you know it's just half AB sine C, or half, in this case, half, that side would be C, that side would be B. So you've got half BC sine A. Okay, so it's like the 3 letters. So the area of the triangle is just half times 6 times 6 times sine 60. Yeah, all right. Once you've got the V, you're just picking half times that times sine that. Yeah, all right. Again, don't go on your calculator yet. Write everything down and then go on your calculator. So the area of the sector, what fraction of the circle is it? 60 divided by 360, and then we're going to go pi r squared. So pi times, and then you can tell the radius of this circle here would be 3. Okay, so that would be the center. Okay, so we've got 3 squared. Okay, now go on your calculator, and here you'd get 15.59, and here you'd get 4.71, and then you're taking it away, and you get 10.88. Okay, and to 3 significant figures, you'd have 10.9 centimeters squared. Okay, can you see how simple the workings are? Yeah, all right. You need to try and keep it really, really, really simple. And if you're neat, then you can tell if you're going to make a mistake, it's actually going to jump out at you. And can you see when I'm doing that, I'm also saying, what fraction of the circle is it? Oh yeah, pi, and then pi r squared. So in my mind, I'm actually saying the formula. Yeah, so then you know you're not going to miss out anything. All right. Okay, that's all for now. I hope that was good for you. In part 3, we'll look at the area and the perimeter of the segment of a circle. Keep working hard, practice, go through these questions as many times as it feels comfortable. And remember, you're in control. Until next time, take care. Bye.